Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. And hold on, in today's video will be a review on this hair. I had this hair installed for about a week and a couple days. It's a frontal, as you can see. I did not bleach the knots. What I've been doing is flattening the hair, but a couple days ago I ended up plaiting it in braids and then moosing it, sweeping it overnight, letting it come out like a twist out, braid out, whatever. And it didn't really turn out right, but it kind of did turn out right. So what I did was add some crimps in it. Then yesterday I washed it, and this is how it came out. So yeah, the price I paid for this hair would be right here, and the hair is 22 inches. I definitely feel like this hair is the length. I wish I could stand up and show y'all, but I feel like the hair is definitely the length. I really have had no problems with the hair, like really had no problems. When I took the wig off yesterday and washed it, the glue, the ghost bond came right out of the lace. I used alcohol to remove that. Yeah, like, I don't know, I'm not gonna say I love it, but this is my second wig that I ever had, and I definitely love it. Like, I really fuck with it. The hair glossy, it shines. If you want to mold it in place, it stays in place. Like, this over here been molded since I put this hair in. Like, I only come out when I'm trying to do a different hairstyle or, you know, just playing it. But other than that, I ain't got no bad reviews on this hair. When I washed this hair, I did not use no soap or no conditioner. I just waited, literally just waited. Yeah, and I just let it air dry. I wear my hair out wet. So I definitely would recommend this hair. This hair is called Tuneful hair. It came with a stocking cap, it came with some eyelashes, and it also came with a band for the wig. It's 100% human hair. It can curl, it can flat iron, it can crimp, all that. I just haven't done all that yet, but yeah, I would definitely recommend this hair, y'all. Go get it. And also, I'm trying to think, like, what's the thing? Really not no shedding. Literally no shedding. Well, it sheds, but not shed like bad. Like, I done had some human hair that didn't shed it. This hair don't really shed like that. Yeah, probably the only problem that I do have with this hair is when I'm trying to put a part in the middle or put a part to the side, because I didn't bleach the knots, so the hair is like firm. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's only gonna move if I mold the hair in place, and I be wanting to switch my hairstyle. So yeah, that's the only thing. So if you do get this hair, I would recommend you to bleach your knots. But if you want to wear it in one style the whole time, then you ain't gotta bleach it. Or you could wear it in one style, take it off, bleach it, and wear it again. However you want to do it. It's your hair, and so you. But yeah, I just want to give y'all a little week update on this hair. Yeah, I like it. I really like it. It come in one color, and this is a 13 by 14 frontal, so the part goes like right there. Yep, right there all the way around. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. I will be doing more hair reviews and more hair updates because I recently cut my hair, so I'm trying to lay low from the quick weaves and the ponytails for a while until I get my growth back, or see growth, because I've been taking biotin hair pills, so y'all know that's already working in progress. But I'm gonna be doing a lot of wigs, so yeah. Easy, they real easy, beginner friendly. You know, I'm not a stylist, not yet, but I'm not a professional hairstylist or nothing like that. I just do my own hair and a couple friends or family members' hair. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and period, sis. Period. Don't play with me, don't play with me.